Hi students. In the previous class we were discussing about the chapter Haloalkanes and Haloarenes, and also we were discussing about the classification. Based on the number of halogen atoms, Haloalkanes and Haloarenes are generally classified as monohaloalkanes, dihaloalkanes and polyhaloalkanes. And monohaloalkanes are further classified as alkyl halides and allylic halides and benzyl halides. Okay. Monohaloalkanes are further classified as what? First, based on the hybridization, carbon atom to which halogen atom is attached, that is sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Okay, then alkyl halides are further classified as primary, secondary and tertiary alkyl halides. Okay. Then what are primary alkyl halides? The alkyl halides in which the halogen atom is attached to the primary carbon atom. Okay. What is primary carbon atom? CH3 or CH2. This is what? Primary carbon atom. The carbon atom to which 2 or 3 hydrogen atoms are directly attached. Okay, this is only one example and this is general example. The carbon atom which is directly attached with the 2 hydrogen atoms is called as primary. What is secondary carbon atom? Which is directly attached with the only 1 hydrogen atom. What is tertiary carbon atom? Which has no directly attached hydrogen atoms. Which has no directly attached hydrogen atoms is called as tertiary carbon atom. So here, take one primary carbon atom, CH2. Okay. And to this I will attach one halogen atom. Here I will attach CH3. Okay. What is the nature of this carbon? This is primary carbon atom. Therefore, this is an example for primary alkyl halide. So, what is the example for primary alkyl halide? CH3Cl, methyl chloride is an example for primary alkyl halide, or CH3 CH2Cl is also an example for, what is the name of this? Ethyl chloride. Ethyl chloride is also an example for primary alkyl halide. Okay, see next one. CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl. You have to just check the carbon atom to which halogen atom is attached. This carbon atom to which halogen atom is attached, it contains the 2 hydrogen atoms. Therefore, it is an example for primary primary alkyl halide. Name of this is common name N-propyl chloride. Common name of this is N-propyl chloride. Okay. Next, what are secondary alkyl halides? The alkyl halides in which the carbon atom attached with the halogen atom is what? Secondary. The carbon atom attached with the halogen atom is secondary. Or simply we can say secondary alkyl halides are those in which the carbon atom is secondary carbon atom to which halogen atom is attached. For example, okay, what is the general formula of the primary alkyl halide? I can write it CH2X. R may be alkyl group, any of the alkyl group, it may be ethyl, methyl, propyl, whatever, and CH2 followed by X. X is a chloride, it may be fluoride, chloride, bromide or iodide. See, this follows the CH3. R is what here? CH3 and CH2Cl. Okay, R is what here? CH3, CH2, CH2C. Okay, so likewise, the general formula of this is R2CHX. Okay, now you all can write the example for this secondary. R2 means I will write 1 CH3 2 times R2 CHCl. What is the detailed structure of this? This is the central carbon atom. One side H is attached. one side Cl is attached, two sides, two CH3 groups are attached. Got it? And this is what? Secondary. Why this is secondary? This is directly attached with the only one hydrogen atom. Got it? Okay. Then what is the example for secondary alkyl halide? CH3, CH, Cl. Just check whether this is primary, secondary or tertiary. Very easy. Carbon atom attached with the halogen atom is directly attached with the only one hydrogen atom. Therefore, it is secondary carbon atom. Therefore, it is an example for secondary alkyl halide. Then, what is the name of this? This is N-propyl chloride, and it is what? Isopropyl. What I am writing is a common names here. Isopropyl chloride. Okay, is one of the example. And secondary butyl bromide. Next example is the common name of the secondary butyl bromide. Carbon atom attached with the Br is what? Secondary. Therefore, the secondary 1, 2, 3, 4 secondary butyl bromide. Okay, its IUPAC name will be different. 1, 2, 3. That will be 2-bromobutane. It will be 2-bromobutane. But common name is secondary butyl bromide. Okay. Example number 1. Example number 2. Next. What are trihaloalkanes? What are tertiary alkyl halides? Tertiary alkyl halides are those in which carbon atom attached with the halogen atom is tertiary. In which the carbon atom attached with the halogen atom is tertiary. Okay? Or in which the halogen atom is attached to the tertiary carbon atom. In which halogen atom is attached to the tertiary carbon atom. Okay, what is the general formula? R3C. How many X are there? No hydrogen atoms directly attached to carbon atom. So, X. R3CX. What is the example? First one I'll write. CH3C. CH3. CH3Cl. Isn't it? What will be the name of this one? 2-chloro, 2-methyl propane. Okay. What will be the name of that one? You can follow the IUPAC system. Okay. Two substituents are there. 2-chloro, 2-methyl propane. Or tertiary butyl chloride is a common name. Or 2-chloro, 2-butyl. Sorry, 2-chloro, 2-methyl. 2-chloro, 2-methyl, 1, 2, 3. That is propane. During the Roman lecture, we will study it in detail. Tertiary butyl chloride. Why this is an example for tertiary alkyl halide? The carbon atom to which halogen atom is attached has no directly attached hydrogen atoms. Is that clear? We have studied alkyl halides and its further classification. Primary alkyl halides, secondary alkyl halides and tertiary alkyl halides. Okay. In the previously we have studied what are alkyl halides, what are primary, secondary and tertiary alkyl halides. Next is what? Allylic halides. Okay. What is allylic group? Generally we write it, isn't it? This group is called as allylic group. Means what? CH2 double bond, CH single bond, at the end CH3. Got it? This is called as, okay, I'll write here CH2. One more bond I'll show. This is called as allyl group or allylic group. Okay, here its valence is not satisfied. If halogen atom is attached here, those are called as allylic halides. See here, this carbon atom is sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Here, halogen atom is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom, and this carbon atom is further attached to the carbon-carbon double bond. So, what are allylic halides? Allylic halides are the type of halides in which halogen atom is attached to, you can observe here and here, attached to an sp3 hybridized carbon atom which further attaches to the carbon-carbon double bond. See how easy it is. Okay. In allylic halides, the halogen atom is attached to an sp3 hybridized carbon atom. That sp3 hybridized carbon atom is further attached to the carbon-carbon double bond. See here, after this single bond is there, then only it will be sp3. But after that, followed by this carbon-carbon double bond is there. Got it? Okay. In which the halogen atom is attached to an sp3 hybridized carbon atom which is further attached to the carbon-carbon double bond. Okay. Then, what is the example for allylic halides? Okay, this is important. What is the example for allylic halide? CH2 double bond CH3. CH2, right? Isn't it? Then what will be the name of this one? 1, 2, 3. 3 chloro. 1, 2, 3. Prop. 1 E. 3 chloro. Prop 1 E. Okay. One more example I'll write here. Is it a benzene? No, it is not benzene. Isn't it? See. It is not benzene. Isn't it? See, 1, 2, 3. Then the name of this one is 3 chloro cyclohexene. 3 chloro cyclohex 1A. Okay, 3 chloro cyclohex 1A. See here, this is what? sp3 hybridized carbon atom, single bond. See, sp3 hybridized carbon atom, single bond, and it is further attached to the carbon-carbon double bond. These two are the best examples for the allylic halides. Okay, see, next one is benzyl halide. Okay, you have to refer the chart, isn't it? Okay, then benzyl halide or benzylic halides. What are benzylic halides? The type of halides in which halogen, listen to me carefully, in which halogen atom is attached to an sp3 hybridized carbon atom which is further attached to the benzene ring. Is that clear? See, the type of halides in which the halogen atom is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom, okay, which is further attached to the benzene ring. The halogen atom is attached to an sp3 hybridized carbon atom which is further attached to the benzene ring. These are called as benzyl halides. You can write it down. The halogen compounds in which halogen atom is attached to an sp3 hybridized carbon atom which is further attached to the benzene ring. Example: benzene ring, CH2, halogen, chlorine. Okay, this group is called as what? Benzyl group. Therefore, benzyl chloride. Okay, the name of this one is benzyl chloride or chloromethyl benzene. Chloromethyl benzene or generally benzyl chloride. Got it? You can try to write the next example. That is see, no doubt it is sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Okay, 1, 2. The parent name of this one is ethyl. 1 bromo ethyl benzene. This example is quite complicated, but I am just showing the ways to write the examples for the benzyl halide. This is the simplest example for benzyl halide, that is benzyl chloride, benzyl bromide, benzyl iodide, whatever you can write. Okay, and you can branch here, no problem. Okay, 1 bromo ethyl benzene. You can branch here also, isn't it? Then that will be 1 bromo propyl benzene, like that. Okay. These are the example for benzyl halide. Hope you remember we are studying about the classification of the haloalkanes. In that, monohaloalkanes, dihaloalkanes and polyhaloalkanes. Monohaloalkanes are further classified as the carbon atom attached with the sp3, in which halogen atom is attached with the sp3 hybridized carbon atom, and in which halogen atom is attached with the sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Now, sp3 hybridized carbon atom further classification: alkyl halide, allyl halide, benzyl halide. Alkyl halides are further classified as primary, secondary, tertiary. Okay. In my next video, we will discuss about the halogen compounds in which the halogen atom is attached to an sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Okay. Thank you.